Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram API. Create a bot with BotFather and copy the token into your environment variables immediately. Install a library like Python Telegram bot or prepare HTTP requests. Decide between polling for simple setups or webhooks for production. Set up basic command handlers, test messages from your account, and log incoming updates for debugging. Keep your token private and rotate if exposed. In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram API. Learn the core concepts like updates, messages, and callback queries first. Recognize that bots operate differently than user accounts and follow bot-specific limits. Master chat types such as private, group, and channel to route logic correctly. Use bot permissions to restrict actions and enable inline mode when needed. Always handle errors and rate limits gracefully to avoid disruptions. In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram API. Start by storing your token in environment variables and never hardcode it. Implement handlers for /start, custom commands, and inline queries to build interactivity. Test locally using ngrok or a tunnel, then move to a hosted endpoint for stable webhooks. Add structured logging, retry logic, and automated tests for message flows. Monitor rate limits and bot health in real time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.